Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another English session with me, your Momita ma'am. So, today I have planned to do a brain twisting activity. Now, what is the word brain twisting? What does it mean? So, this means you have to use your brain, you have to use it so deeply. You have to understand and then you have to give the answers very intelligently. I know you are so intelligent, so smart that you can do it. So, let me tell you what you have to do. You have already learned some three-letter words like cat, bat, mat. Now, how you can spell it? K, a, t, cat. B, a, t, bat. Now, in these k, a, t, cat spelling, can you tell me which one is the beginning letter? Yes, think. Right you are. C, that means K. And which one is the ending letter? Yes, T, that means T. Like that, if we are telling sad, S, A, D, so which one is the beginning? Yes, S. And which one is the ending? Yes, D. So, keeping in mind the ending letter, remember the ending letter, we will do our today's activity. So, we will keep in our mind the ending letter always. Then we will start our activity, that is a matching. So, hope you are ready. Come, let's do. So, first of all, we need to read out the heading. What is written here on the heading section? We have matching, matching. So, in the matching, what we have to do? What we have to match? See, we have two columns, one A column and another B column. Okay, A column, we have some pictures, and in the B column, we have some words. Now, you can get me right. We have to match the pictures with the words. But wait, there is a little bit twist. Now, what is the twist here? So, we have here the letters, but that is the ending letter of the keyword. Is it difficult? So it's not difficult because I have make you understand earlier in the video. So what you have to do? You have to match the picture with the ending letters, right? So now see the picture. What you can understand from the picture? Is the face is happy or sad? Yes. I hope you can tell me now. Yes, the face is sad. Now, please revise with me the spelling of sad. S, A, D. Exactly. What is it? S, A, D. So, which one is the beginning letter? That is S. S. And the ending letter? That is D. D. So, you can get the answer now. With which letter you have to now match the sad smiley? Yes, we have to match the sad smiley with D. With which letter? With D. And so now you can tell me which letter would go with the picture of number 2. Yes, so the 2 number picture is cat, right? So which letter will go? Yes, the ending letter T. T will go with the picture number 2. Very good. So here is your third picture and fourth picture. In the third picture we have the picture of, yes, that tiny animal that is called rat. Very good. Now spell out with me the spelling of rat. R, A, T. That means the beginning sound is R. Letter is R. And the ending letter is T. So match where the T is, put there number 3. Like that, you can do number 4. Now, in the fourth number picture, we have a mad face. Yes, so spell out with me the spelling. mad. That means the beginning letter will be M, ma, and the ending letter will be D, D. So find out where D is and match with the mad face. Okay, so I hope you have understood what I am trying to say and you can practice like that way. So now we can begin another segment of our revision topic. What will be the segment? Come, let's see. Okay, so here we have another segment and that is, please read the heading with me. Feel in. F-E-L-A. Feel in. And here we have two pictures and two feelings. In the two feelings, I will help you. Other the two feelings you have to do. Okay. I know you don't need my help because you are pretty intelligent. So see number 1, dash, a, d. And here is the picture. Now, can you guess which letter will come here? Yes, right you are. So, the word will be dad. Dad. Now, come to the second picture. So, in the second picture, again, we are having a clue. Now, can you please guess which picture is it? Yes, I know you can. Yes, so that is the picture of a notepad. So the word will be pad and the spelling p-a-d, pad. So on the blank we have to write p. That means P. Right. So now it's your turn to fill the blanks and here are the words. Number 1, dash at, at. Number 2, dash an. Number 3, dash add. Number 4, again dash an. Number 5, dash add. Number 6, dash at. You know all the words. Okay, so please try to write new words that we haven't used today in our video. That words you also know, so please try to use new words. Okay, I know you can do it. Like this, you have to enhance your intelligence by encouraging yourselves. Okay, children? So I hope you have understood what you have to do and you have enjoyed. Okay, so I hope we will meet soon. Until then, take a very care of you in this pandemic situation. Please wear mask, use sanitizer and take good care of yourselves. Goodbye, children.